In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a manual payment method on Shopify using Google. Whether you're trying to offer your customers more flexible payment options or simply want to add an alternative like cash on delivery, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to the Shopify website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so using your account credentials. Once you're in your Shopify dashboard, the main hub from where you control your online store, you'll find a navigation menu on the left side of your screen. This menu is where you'll access the various settings you'll need for this guide. Next, locate and click on the Settings option at the bottom of this menu. This section contains all the configurations for your store, from general settings to specific features like shipping and taxes. From here, look for the Payments section. This part is key because it's where you structure how your customers will pay for their purchases. Clicking on Payments will bring up a variety of options, including those for credit cards, PayPal, and of course, manual payment methods. Now, within the Payments settings, scroll down until you find the option to Add Manual Payment Method. This is where you can customize your non-digital payment options. When you click on this, you'll see several options for manual payments. For today's purpose, we're focusing on cash on delivery, an excellent choice if you want to give your customers the choice to pay physically upon receiving their items. Click on cash on delivery and you'll be prompted to enter some specific details. This is important as these details will inform your customers about how the process works. You might want to include instructions such as the availability of this payment option in certain regions or any additional fees that might apply. Being upfront and clear in this section can save you and your customers from potential misunderstandings, leading to smoother transactions. Take a moment to review everything you've inputted to ensure accuracy. Once done, hit the Save button to implement these changes to your checkout options. And there you have it. You've successfully added a manual payment method to your Shopify store. From now on, when customers check out, they'll have the option to select cash on delivery, making their shopping experience with you even more flexible and accommodating. By empowering your customers with more payment choices, you stand to improve your sales and customer satisfaction. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. If you found this helpful or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips and guides. See you next time.